80% on the speed like the Christmas tram up to the EPCOT main entrance. Make way board quicker this safely, for this is my final call for boarding. Driver, step on platform. And forward.
Alright.
Hey guys, we're at EPCOT today for Brian's birthday. He's 35.
Yeah, I'm old.
So we're actually gonna have dinner and get tickets again, and we're gonna go see TobyMac. Movie so soon. I wore my shirt that we got halfway through.
So I'm not sure if we can record, but I think it's gonna be kind of fun though.
Yeah, we'll take pictures and we'll try to put them in and see what happens.
But we are eating at Via Napoli
And we have to get there in about
for 16 minutes.
and we had to park all the way in like the 100s because it's so hot today.
For TobyMac.
Probably. For a Monday though, it's a little hot. But we're probably gonna go to the first show.
The last show.
Oh, the last show. Because the first one's at 5:30, right?
Guess we're going on right now.
I know, we always do that. Like, what time is it?
So, but alright, well, we'll see you at the restaurant.
Okay guys, we are at Via Napoli and we got the dining package for it, but this is what they have. Of course, there's pizza. Also specialty drinks. And wine.
Imagine the final price would be 6%.
So that's the entrance that you come to, and that's what it looks like. There's a birthday boy. So we get 2 appetizers, 2 entrees, and 2 desserts. So we just kind of willy-nilly it. That has like rice inside. I liked it. It's really good. It's not that bad.
And in our video for the sci-fi theater, I mentioned that I was very picky. And this is evidence that I'm very picky.
And then I got this. I was like, oh, I'll try that. But I like Brian's more. Brian's pizza margarita cake.
They did.
It looks good.
They put green stuff in the pizza.
Try it. For those that don't know, we lived in Italy, well, Naples, Italy for 3 years when Brian was in the Navy, from 2006 to 2009. So it kind of is like home, right, Brian?
I used to get pizza every day for lunch. Almost.
Oh, it was every day. I got it.
Ready, action. I missed it.
No, I said I didn't really Italian yet.
And this is not zoomed in.
Let's see if I can dig into her. No, that's fine.
never forgot my sign.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's his birthday. Forgot it though.
You really did forget it, right? No.
You never know. Might be in my back pocket.
Stand up.
I took all my cards out. I'm making vacation shots.
I lace the boots up and straight to the door. Y'all don't have to go home, but you gotta get on out of here. Let's dance.
I didn't get to eat. So I got sushi.
So it's like strawberry with
It's coconut rice, I think, that has fruit in it. And
There it
like
goes.
raspberry stuff.
You ready to try it?
Lots of eliminations. Okay, yeah, I'll try it right now. Do you eat the whole thing? How do you eat this?
I'm not trying it.
No, it's really good.
I believe you.
True. We welcome all of you to EPCOT and World Showcase. We're gathered here tonight around the fire as people of all lands have gathered for thousands and thousands of years before us to share the light and to share a story. An amazing story, as old as time itself, but still being written. And though each of us has our own individual stories to tell, a true adventure emerges when we bring them all together as one. We hope you enjoy our story tonight, Reflections of Earth.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So, it's probably a short video.
Probably.
There wasn't much going on. We also included some illuminations for you guys too. We got too excited about TobyMac where we kind of forgot about recording. So we got recordings on our phones and pictures.
I mean, we were really
We were in the
really
first
close.
row.
like.
So if Brian can put some pictures or videos in there too with this video, then that'll be good.
Yeah.
We're in Morocco right now because illumination just ended. I'm sure you can hear. It's gonna be a while to get to our car anyways.
Yeah, EPCOT was really packed for a Monday, and I think it was probably because of TobyMac.
But then like it died down though too.
Yeah. So, the Italian restaurant was really good. The pizza was good. Your spaghetti.
My spaghetti
said
that I
was good.
did have was good, but then I got sick and like I was not feeling good at all. So we had to hurry up and get in line for the preferred seating. So I didn't really eat at all today.
Our package that we got included an antipasta, which is like an appetizer for both of us. There's bugs here. An entree for both of us. A drink and a dessert for either both of us or for one of each.
I don't remember.
We didn't order it because Amber wasn't feeling well, so I passed on that. But they looked really good.
The spaghetti was good. The meatballs, it's something. It's not of course American meatball. It's like sausage and other things in there. I don't know what it was, but I don't know. I don't know if that got me sick. I don't know.
Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and end this and fight the crowd, get out of that. So thanks for watching.
In a while.
Yeah.
Thank you.